What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Just wanted to talk to you about something I was asked. Investing your money in advertisement versus word of mouth. Investing your money is going to get you further than word of mouth. You know, people will tell other people about your services. But if you just depended on someone just to see what you're doing and just to share, to tell a friend, I mean, a lot of time it don't work like that. But if you would spend your money, it allows you to go in front of the people you need to be in front of in order to have your product or your service help them in their business or whatever they got going on. So I would say, from personal experience that I have learned that it's better to just invest your money. I mean, because can't nobody hate on you when you invest your money because the system is designed to work for you once you spend your money. Now, people can hate on you when you're trying to just throw regular flyers or you just regular sharing stuff on Facebook or regular sharing, folks can, block things. It is what it is. But when you're placing ads and you put money behind them, you ain't got to worry about nobody blocking them or hating them. I mean, you ain't got to worry about them trying to take it down because the way the system is set up, it's going to force that ad in front of their face where they're going to see it. You know what I mean? They're going to know, okay, this is what he's doing. This is what I got going on. And that way, you ain't got to ask for permission. So I would feel like the best way to really um, get your point across and really make something happen is to just pay for it, man. Pay for your ads. Pay for your advertisement. And to me personally, by doing that, it's everything costs money, but it'll keep you from having to kiss ass. It'll keep you from having to, cut your prices just so you can get some money. I mean, because once people see what you are doing and they see the quality of your work and your prices, it's just like when you go to Walmart or go to a regular, nice professional spot. The last thing on their mind is to try to bargain you down. You don't walk into a store or a professional location and try to bargain them down. No, you just say, okay, this is what it is. Okay, I got a sale on this one this time. Or you look to see what store got what you're looking for, but you know you're going to pay that price. So when you're independent, sometimes you tend to try to figure that out. You try to, man, okay, I'll cut this price down if you do this. And sometimes people will have you chopping your prices down when you ain't even making nothing. I mean, you're actually paying for their project to get done. You know what I mean? And it don't work like that. I mean, if you got a price, stand on it. And if the person don't like it, then they can find someone else or they can change their budget or save or whatnot or take something out of it so that way you can do it. But don't change your prices, your budget, just so someone can say, oh, I got a need, or oh, it ain't gonna take this long. You still got to take your equipment there. You still got to figure it out. You still got to do all the hard work. You know what I mean? You got to do all the stuff. So they just on the sideline saying this or that, but you are the one that's actually doing it. So keep that into consideration, man. And to just save yourself some headaches, in my personal opinion, this is what I know now. That pay for it. Just put your money behind it because once you put your money behind it, can't nobody hate on you.